Asia has always been a powerhouse in global pop culture, with countries like South Korea, Japan, and China leading the way. However, in recent years, another nation has been making significant contributions: the Philippines. From the rise of P-pop to the expansion of Filipino entertainment, social media trends, and fashion, the country is playing a key role in shaping modern Asian pop culture. In this video, we'll explore how Filipino talent, creativity, and digital presence are making a mark across the continent. P-pop, the Philippines' answer to K-pop. Filipino music has always had a strong local following, but now it's gaining international recognition. P-pop, Pinoy pop, is on the rise, with groups like SB19, Alamat, and BGYO leading the charge. These artists combine traditional Filipino elements with global music trends, creating a fresh sound that's attracting fans across Asia. One of the biggest reasons for P-pop's growing popularity is the powerful vocals, synchronized choreography, and compelling storytelling in their music. Social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Spotify have helped spread P-pop to new audiences, especially in Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. With strong fan support and a growing international presence, P-pop is becoming a major force in Asian music. Filipino films and TV series gaining popularity. Philippine television and movies have traditionally been popular within the country, but now they are making waves internationally. Teleseryes, Filipino TV dramas like On the Wings of Love and Katanang Ginto, have attracted viewers in other Asian nations due to their engaging storylines and relatable characters. Filipino films have also gained recognition at international festivals, with directors like Berlante Mendoza and Lav Diaz earning prestigious awards. The horror and thriller genres in particular have resonated with audiences beyond the Philippines, with movies such as Eerie and Sunod gaining popularity. Thanks to streaming services like Netflix and iQIYI, Filipino entertainment is reaching wider audiences and leaving a lasting impact on Asian pop culture. Social media, the Philippines as Asia's digital trendsetter. Filipinos are some of the most active social media users in the world, making them key players in setting online trends. From viral dance challenges on TikTok to engaging vlogs on YouTube, Filipino creators are influencing digital content consumption across Asia. Popular TikTok influencers and YouTubers like Niana Guerrero, Rans Kyle, and Mimi Yu have massive followings, spreading Filipino creativity to millions. Additionally, the country's thriving gaming scene, particularly in esports, has made Filipino players highly influential in games like Mobile Legends, Valorant, and Dota 2. With a strong digital presence and content that resonates with different cultures, the Philippines is a major driver of social media trends in Asia. Filipino fashion and beauty setting new trends. The Philippines is making waves in fashion and beauty, with designers, influencers, and local brands gaining recognition across Asia. Michael Cinco and Ferna One, two of the country's top fashion designers, have dressed global celebrities and royalty, showcasing Filipino craftsmanship on the world stage. In the beauty industry, Filipino influencers like Heart Evangelista and Michelle Dai have introduced Filipino skincare and makeup trends to international audiences. The Morena beauty movement, which celebrates tan and brown skin tones, is encouraging a shift in traditional Asian beauty standards. Local fashion brands like Bench and BGYO are also gaining traction, blending modern and traditional Filipino designs that appeal to younger audiences in Asia. Filipino humor and entertainment styles spreading across Asia. Filipinos are known for their lighthearted humor, and their unique style of comedy is becoming popular beyond the country's borders. Comedians like Vice Ganda and Michael V have made an impact through social media and television, with their humor resonating with audiences in Southeast Asia. Filipino variety shows, such as It's Showtime and Eat Bulaga, have inspired similar entertainment formats in other countries. Their interactive hosting style and audience participation have influenced the way entertainment shows are produced across Asia. Filipino artists in global and Asian music industries. Filipinos are not just making an impact in P-pop, but also in global music and entertainment industries. Several K-pop idols and trainees, including Chantal Videla Lapilas and Krisha Chu, have Filipino heritage, proving that Filipino talent is gaining recognition in Korea's entertainment industry. Beyond Asia, Filipino artists like Lea Salonga have made their mark on Broadway and Hollywood, influencing generations of performers. Additionally, Filipino singers have contributed to major Disney soundtracks and international music projects, reinforcing the Philippines' role in shaping the global entertainment industry. The rise of the Filipino wave. The Filipino wave is more than just a passing trend. It is a cultural movement that is transforming pop culture across Asia. With its influence in music, film, social media, fashion, comedy, and global entertainment, the Philippines is proving itself as a pop culture powerhouse. As Filipino creatives continue to push boundaries and innovate, their impact on Asian and global pop culture will only grow stronger. The world is watching, and the Filipino wave is just getting started. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel, comment, and follow for more.